Good morning. Today's task has to do with talking about my wish. I have decided to talk about some of the most important ones in my life. Some of them I will not complete until the issue where the pandemic is solved. I wish I could visit Italy next year, but also wish I had gone to Spain to visit my sister again and spend more time with her and her family. I wish I could read more about my career and spend time teaching children. If I had money, I could go to Machu Picchu and spend at least 1 week traveling around this area. If I had more free time, I would love to learn how to play an instrument. I wish I had more free time. I would like to read The 7 Habits of Highly Effective Teens. Also, I wish I spoke perfect English. I wish I could travel to Miami to visit my family and spend time with my nephew. We go out the most and eat ice cream. I wish I had enough money to buy myself a house, and I wish I lived closer to the beach. Thank you